How to contact support in Faceit. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step on how you can do it, so let's get started. First of all, you may go ahead and open up the Faceit application on your screen, and once you open it up, you should be finding this options, this interface. So the next method you can apply up is from the given interface home. At the top left corner, you should be finding a profile or something icon of this app. So go ahead and tap on it and it will lead you to the space right here. So from the given page, you may locate up the settings icon at the top right corner and click on it. And once you click on it, the settings appears. And at this section right here, we should be finding an option of support. So you can directly tap on it to just go ahead and locate it up, and it will redirect you to another website of support.faceit.com. So from here, you can directly submit a request about your Faceit apps. Like if you're getting any kind of complaints or anything, you can just go ahead and put it in here. You can fill up this form where you need to provide your email address, your contact reason, like why are you trying to contact the support team of Faceit. After that, your profile URL or your account name in this section right here, and the game that you have issue with, or if not listed, choose other, and let them know what reason you are playing in as well. After that, game ID, which is an optional feature option, so if you don't want to add that, you can just leave it. Similarly, we have the subject like why are you trying to contact them, and we have this description where you can put in the whole detail about your complaint. After that, you can even provide attachments, screenshots, something like that if you want, and tap on submit, and that is it. So this is how you basically reach over to the support team of Faceit very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.